If this video doesn't wake you up to the reality that you are your own protection, you are your own first responder, you and God are your only hope to living a safe life, then I don't know what else will. That is a real world video of a criminal stealing property as fast as he can with a number of people in the environment who've been subdued by laws that give that criminal more rights than they have. Just do what's right, which would be just blow him up. You know what I mean? Like, would be to snatch that fool up and stop him from victimizing that establishment. I don't care if it's, you know, big tech, big corporate. It's the principle that right now in our society, people have been conditioned to let evil run rampant, which means that if you and your family are being attacked, you can't count on these people to come help you, defend you. Law enforcement was parked outside during this whole entire thing. Maybe they were inside getting a donut. Just kidding. Maybe, I don't know, but you know, I love my cops. Yeah, I let y'all know. But real talk, you know, that's the level of apathy that is taking place in our world. And to me, what that means is if there's going to be law, justice, I don't want to go too far, but if you and your family are going to be safe, it's going to be because you know how to protect yourself. And we can call the cops and they can go on ahead and show up afterwards and pick up all the pieces, except for if you know how to protect yourself, one, you won't be in the situation. Two, you'll avoid most of the situations. And three, if they're picking up pieces, it won't be pieces of you and your loved ones. And that's what I'm here to try to push into the world, inject into the world. I want to create a world where good people are more dangerous and good people where the darkness fears the light, right? Let's make the world a safer place by helping good people become more dangerous. Go to protectornation.com, get into the Civilian Protector Project, start learning how to do these things from the comfort of your own home, and then come train with us this year. But keep in mind, police are not your personal security detail. Okay, police are there to enforce the law, right? So when someone breaks the law, they come and enforce the law. They don't follow you around and keep you safe. The only person following you around to keep you safe is you and the angels that God assigned to you. I love you guys. Let's get better. Let's get stronger. Let's make the world better. God bless. Semper Fi. Boom! It's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.